how can a data mesh fit? How can we use a data mesh during the creation and tuning of our machine learning models? Do we need a centralized system to build machine learning models and a decentralized system to run inferences?
That's a fantastic question. So I would say both. In fact, both training and inference can be done distributedly. You might need to build a few things and bridge some gaps that exist, but that's the idea. So the way you would train machine learning model in a perfect, kind of data mesh implementation is that you act as a consumer of the data and data coming from many different places. You directly have contact to those data products. So as a data scientist, if you first, in fact, in the book, I go through the experience of a data scientist as an example, as a data persona of a data user, how you can be part of the mesh and interact with the mesh. So while you're hypothesizing about, okay, can I find some patterns here? Can I discover this, class of segmentation of my customers based on various attributes? You need to discover on the mesh what the data products are. You need to connect to the data products. And if there is something that's not meeting your requirements, you actually can, there is a data product owner in that domain that you can directly talk to. You don't need to go to a data team middleman. So you go to them and say, oh, it seems like some data is missing. Can we augment your data product? And because they have autonomy, hopefully that process is much faster. So the training can be done kind of distributedly by accessing the data from different data products. And if you happen to require yet another data product that is designed for your case and hopefully for others, then make that a data product. So this idea of a feature store that we dump all the features that we've discovered in the feature store is kind of a paradox in contrast with data mesh, right? So as at the part of the training, whether you're directly consuming from those sources, and hopefully those sources are not hopefully, they must be cleansed, data that is suitable with some sort of guarantees and service level agreements that satisfy your use case. And if you need to do some work on it to really make it, I don't know, get some sentiment analysis done or something else, you do that in your new data product. So your computation, training computation happens in that. So training can be done distributedly, ideally will be done, and also inference if your model can sit in the flow of the data, as in consume data from the sources that you're inferring from, that also become again a computation of a data product and is generating some data product that other people data sets that other people downstream are using. And that's why I really see data mesh as a governing structure, as an operating model in a way, that whether your computation is machine learning model training or inference or a simple, I don't know, analysis and transformation, that we have a similar, similar structure, similar graph structure at the macro level.